Hello, how you doing? Look, what you're looking at here is some oven baked little kebabs. So we've got some beef there with some spices in a tomato sauce, bang it in the oven. That's the result. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to make a sauce first. So here I've got 2 cans of tomatoes, a regular size can, 400 ml, that kind of regular size, you know, the regular size can. I think in America that's 14 or 16 ounce can, something like that. 2 cups of onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic, a teaspoon each salt, pepper, coriander, cumin and chili powder. And then here I've got 135 grams of tomato paste, that kind of little Tetra Pak thing there. Let's get moving. So in my pan I've got oil. You can use any type of oil you want. I'm using a corn oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. We're going to get our 2 cups of onion and drop that in. We're going to add our tablespoon of garlic. Drop that in. We are on slightly above medium heat and we're going to go for 4 to 5 minutes. Beautiful stuff. We're going to get that tomato paste, that 135 grams of that, or that little kind of Tetra Pak size. To that we're going to add our spices. So here we go, teaspoon each, salt, pepper, chili, cumin and coriander. In it goes. And then stay on this heat and stir constantly now for 3 minutes. We really want to cook this tomato paste out. Great stuff. We're going to grab those couple of cans of tomatoes now. Now they were a whole plum tomato and I've just roughly crushed it with my hand. Medium heat. We're going to let this go for 7, 8, 9 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. Beautiful. Nice, really simple sauce that we can set aside and move on to the next step. So in this bowl, I've got 500 grams or about a pound, just slightly over, of a really nice quality ground beef. This is a nice beef that's actually been ground. You could use a different, lesser quality if you want, but it really is beautiful. Really simply, we've got a teaspoon of garlic. We've got half a teaspoon of salt, pepper, thyme and green cardamom powder. And then a couple of tablespoons maybe of fresh chopped parsley. And then we're going to put a little bit of olive oil. I've got a beautiful Jordanian olive oil there. It really is delicious. Gloves on. We're going to go in and give this a mix. So I'm using glass. You can use ceramic, you could use metal, as long as it can go into the oven. What we're going to do is, it's really simply, just grab a bit of this meat like so and just put it in your hand like that. You can make them smaller than that, bigger than that, up to you, but just like that. And we're going to lay them in and then we can move on. Let me do that. Okay, so there you go. Like I said, they don't have to be that shape or that size. You can do them bigger, you can do them smaller, but get them kind of roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Okay, so simply we're now going to take our sauce and we're going to pour that over. We're going to spread that out. We're going to put this into a preheated oven. About 180, 200, nothing massively high. Center of the oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, piping hot, straight out of the oven. What we're going to do now is put that on a plate to serve it. We're going to put the sauce on first and then the meat on top of that. Okay, really, really delicious, nice and simple. Got some nice kind of little kebabby things there. Beautiful with rice, if you want to have it with rice. That's it. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.